Hi, this is Elizabeth Swider. I'm the owner of Care is There Geriatric Care Management and the webmaster and founder of Cville Seniors. And in this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can change the name of your profile on Cville Seniors, and I'll show you why you want to do that. First, be sure to sign in to www.cvilleseniors.org, and then make sure that you're signed into your profile. And I have already signed in. I'm using my friend Susan Dietrich's profile, which we're just setting up to illustrate this for you. So be sure you're signed in. If you aren't signed in yet, it'll say sign in here. Click that, and it will bring you to a sign-in page with your login and your password. So we're signed in here for Susan, and in order to change your name, this is what you should do. Go to the link that says My Page, and part of the reason that you want to change your name or think about changing your name is when you initially set up your profile, it looks like this. It's got your name because that's what it prompts you to sign up with, and it's got you as sort of just a a mystery person. We'll change this photo later in a separate video, and then it just kind of explains the basics of who you are, but it really doesn't give very much information about you or who you are. So we're going to have several different videos that'll show you how to beef this up a little. And in this video, we'll talk about how to change this name. Susan Dietrich is the coordinator for the American Parkinson's Disease Association, and we want this profile to talk about the association, not just Susan. So what we're going to do to change this, Susan Dietrich, is we're going to go to the link here that says Settings. So click that. And there's several things here, but we're going to concentrate on the one that says full name. So this is where it says Susan Dietrich. That's what's indicating what it's showing up as on Cville Seniors. So we're going to change this. And we want to change this to say it's the Parkinson's Association. Now, something to remember is that this field will only take, I think it's about 33 characters. So you have to be a little bit creative and might have to abbreviate. In this case, I've just cut and pasted. I've already typed this in, but you can just type it in with your keyboard what we're going to say here. And so I've abbreviated by not putting all of association, and I'm also choosing not to put an apostrophe here, and that's partly because this is going to be part of a URL, and I hate to use characters like apostrophes. Sometimes it will confuse the software. So put in here the name of your organization if that's what you want the profile to be about. And just while you're here, by the way, it asks your gender. I say don't display because kind of what difference does that make? So once you're finished making that change to the name, then you want to scroll down. This is important. Scroll down and click Save. Then it will change your name. Let's go to My Page and as it instructs you and see what it says. Okay, so now it's listing us as the American Parkinson's Disease Association. And if we go to the home page of Cville Seniors, we'll see that it's now showing up. I'm just clicking on the members here to bring up this profile. It's showing us as the American Parkinson's Disease Association. So that's how you change your name on Cville Seniors. I want to give you another little tip about changing your name. If you notice in the URL that defines your profile, this URL, by the way, you can copy and paste, and it will you can use it as a link, and it'll send people right to your Cville Seniors profile. We changed this profile name to the American Parkinson's Disease Association, but the URL still has the old name. So you might want to change this URL as well, and here's how you do that. So right now we are on My Page. We'll just click this to show you how you can get there if you don't happen to be there on your page right now. So if you click My Page, this is what it looks like. If you from there go back to Settings, click Settings over here. Then click over in this section, we're right now on Profile, click My Page. And here it's got the address. So you can define what this is as long as it's something that isn't taken. So for Susan Dietrich, let's, instead of having it be her name, let's have it be APDA, the American Parkinson's Disease Association, and we'll save that. It says it's been successful. Let's go back to My Page. And you can see now in the URL, it's changed that URL to this. Now you want to do this, make this change when you're first setting up your profile, ideally, because if you've made any links, once you change that URL, it's going to break the link and people aren't going to be able to find your page. But that's just a little tip that you can also do if you're changing the name of your profile on Cville Seniors.